Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a handy guide for those of you setting up Windows 10. Specifically, we'll show you how to bypass the Microsoft account sign-in during installation. This is particularly useful if you're using a laptop or a desktop PC. Let's dive right in. So, you've started the Windows 10 setup, and you've arrived at this screen. This prompt to add your account and domain join is typically found in Windows 10 Home Edition, which is what most laptops come with. Today, I'm using a virtual machine, but the process is the same on your physical PC. The screen asks you to sign in with your Microsoft account to set up your computer and sync all your data. However, in the past, there used to be an option for domain join, allowing you to create a standard computer account. Unfortunately, that option has disappeared. Now you're left with two options, signing in with your Microsoft account or creating a new account. But fear not, there's a simple way to bypass this step. If you're using a desktop PC with an Ethernet cable or a wired connection, simply unplug the cable. That's it. You've bypassed the Microsoft account sign-in. If you're on Wi-Fi, like I am in this virtual machine, you need to turn off Wi-Fi during the setup. On a physical PC, Windows will prompt you to set up your Wi-Fi, but in a virtual machine like this, it's considered Ethernet. So, disconnect your network adapter. Now, if you're using a laptop, the process might be slightly different. Some laptops have physical switches to turn Wi-Fi on and off. Others have a wireless icon on one of the function keys. Pressing that will allow you to turn off Wi-Fi. And that's how you skip the Microsoft account sign-in during Windows 10 installation. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.